Mercedes-Benz SL R230. If you've got any problems with your vehicle, so for example, if your dashboard lights are flashing and you've plugged in, I've replaced batteries, I've done this SAM unit which is behind the actual seat, I've done the fuse box, I've done everything. Anyway, in this passenger footwell, you can see wrapped up in tape are all these wires here. Now basically they are sort of soldered, or a joint basically. As you can see, there's a brown and a yellow. These wires are actually joined together, and then they're soldered here. Now by cracking these wires, it's actually resolved the problem after I spent £1,000 doing SAM unit, batteries, and God knows what, even an ignition unit. It seems to be that this is part of the problem. So if you have got any issues with lights flashing or anything like that, unreel the tape and then just sort of crunch these wires, sort of just give them a little bit of a bend, almost as if you're putting the joints back together. You might have to cut these wires and then re-crimp them together to sort of sort out the earth. This is part of your CAN bus system, I believe. Another thing that it could be, as with my one, you can see seats out. Unfortunately, water has got in somewhere and all of this foam is absolutely just soaked. You can see it's soaked with water, so I had to pull it all back, wet vac it out. Don't know where the water's coming through. Anyone's got any clues, please leave a message. But it could be anything. It could be coming from where the roof joins and then running down. It could be just I don't know, something through maybe a blocked vent somewhere on the front of the dash area. But anyway, good luck.